Well, we're going to talk about life insurance. And talking about life insurance is like talking about buying a used car. Look, nobody wants to do it. Nobody likes used car salesmen, and people probably like life insurance salespeople even less. Look, here's the reality though. If somebody that you love or that's in your family dies, especially if it's unexpectedly, nobody recovers from that. Seriously, unless you're independently wealthy, it's almost impossible to recover from the death of somebody. Take, for instance, a husband and a wife. 3 kids, right? What happens when the wife dies and there's no life insurance? Who's going to pay to watch those children? Who's going to pay to cook the meals? Who's going to clean the house? So you're telling me you can afford a babysitter, a maid, and a personal chef on top of your wife dying? Look, guys, come on, be realistic. Your wife is an incredibly important part of the home, and what she does costs probably $100,000, $200,000, $500,000, and you're not paying for it now. Well, maybe not in dollar cents, but you'll be paying for it a whole lot more if something happens to her. And ladies, come on. If your husband's the only person who works in the family, or even if he's 50% of the income, what happens when he just poof, doesn't come home one day for work, gets in an accident? Look, usually it's our MO to joke about things and make fun, right, and then give you a message. But the reality is there's really nothing funny about people dying. And so we're not going to do a funny video about life insurance. It's just really important to have. Look, in the past couple years, both me and my wife have had to deal with deaths in the family. My dad constantly talks to me about what happens if he doesn't die before his term life insurance is up. And then my mom's going to have nothing. I mean, what kind of life is that? Look, if you get permanent life insurance when you're young, it doesn't cost a whole lot. Maybe $1,000, maybe $1,500 a year. Now look, $100, $150 a month might sound like a lot. Yeah. How about my dad pays over $200 a month for term insurance that, guess what, he's probably going to outlive? I mean, do we want my dad to die early because my mom will be taken care of financially? I mean, who wants to wish that on anybody? Take my wife's father. Yeah, he died at 59. How do you think that was? I mean, she's going to have to live, her mom's going to have to live another 20, maybe 30 years. You know, it doesn't replace a loved one, but it sure as heck helps. I mean, what happens if a child dies? Funeral costs, burial, medical bills. Look, big, huge expenses like this, these are the differences between making it or breaking it, at least financially. And while it's an unpleasant topic, it's really important to find out if you have the right life insurance, if you have enough life insurance. Look, get information from somebody that you trust. Read around our website. We've got a great life insurance buyer's guide that helps you compare the different types of life insurance. And if you feel uncomfortable talking with somebody that you don't know about life insurance, then give us a call. Look, we're not interested in selling anybody anything, especially something that they don't need. But life insurance, it just isn't something that you mess with. Okay, so give us a call today or send us a message. But please read through the life insurance buyer's guide on this page and get to know the important facts that you need to know about the different types of life insurance. Thanks for tuning in today and for choosing us at Magnum Opus Financial.